Everyone thinks the best-selling cuticle oils and creams are automatically the best ones, but is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. Let's kick things off with this Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover. What caught my eye was its promise to deliver quick results, and at just $4.97, it's super affordable. If you want an easy solution to dry, ragged cuticles, this is worth a serious look. This product contains aloe and chamomile, which means it's not just about removing cuticles, but also soothing your skin. It's designed to act fast. Just apply it, wait a minute, and you can push back your cuticles effortlessly. That's perfect for those who want a quick, tidy manicure without harsh scrubbing. Plus, with over 40,000 sold in the past month, it's clearly a go-to for many. Now, some people complained about the smell being too strong. Here's the thing though, while it does have a noticeable scent, it fades quickly once applied, and the results are what truly matter. This is perfect for you if you're in a hurry and need a quick fix for your cuticles, but skip this one if you're looking for something nourishing rather than just a remover. Now, if the fast-acting feature of this remover caught your interest, the next product I have for you offers a more nourishing approach.
Product number 2, Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof. The Onyx Professional Hard as Hoof Nail Strengthening Cream. At $12.99, it's a bit pricier, but if you're dealing with weak or damaged nails, this could be your new best friend. If you want stronger, healthier nails, this is worth a serious look. This cream is packed with vitamins and natural ingredients like jojoba oil, which means it not only strengthens your nails, but also conditions them. With its ability to repair damage from fake nails, it's great for anyone who loves their manicures but hates the aftermath. Users rave about seeing noticeable improvements in just a few days, which is why it's popular, with around 20,000 units sold recently. That said, some reviewers mention that it can feel a bit greasy. Here's the thing though, as long as you give it some time to absorb, the benefits far outweigh that initial feeling. This is perfect for you if you've been struggling with brittle, weak nails, but if you're just looking for basic cuticle care, you might find it a bit overkill. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for hydration.
Product number 3, Cuticle Natural Milk and Honey. Let's chat about the Cuticle Natural Milk and Honey Revitalizing Cuticle Oil. At $9.99, it's a great mid-range option that caught my attention with its promise of deep hydration. If you want to nourish dry, damaged cuticles, this is worth a serious look. This oil is all about that luxurious feeling. It's made with cold-pressed oils and vitamin E, which means it's not only hydrating, but also helps to heal and protect your nails. The lightweight formula absorbs quickly, so you won't feel weighed down. Given that 10,000 units were sold recently, people clearly love how it revitalizes their nails without a greasy residue. Now, some might find the scent a bit too sweet. Here's the thing though, that's part of the aromatherapy experience, and many users actually enjoy that added touch of luxury. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a soothing, hydrating treatment for your nails. But skip this if you're sensitive to fragrances or just prefer unscented products. Next up, if you need something that's easy to carry around, this next option has got you covered.
Product number 4, Sally Hansen Nail Treatment. I have the Sally Hansen Nail Treatment Vitamin E Nail and Cuticle Oil. Priced at $6.74, it's a budget-friendly option that promises deep nourishment. If you want to keep your nails and cuticles soft and hydrated, this is worth a serious look. This oil is enriched with natural essential oils and vitamin E, which means it deeply conditions and moisturizes, helping to prevent dryness and cracking. Users report that it's great for daily use, providing that extra hydration without any heavy feeling. With 10,000 units sold lately, it's a favorite for many nail care enthusiasts. However, some reviewers found it too thick for their preference. Here's the thing, while it might feel a bit heavier than others, a little goes a long way, and the results are what keep users coming back. This is perfect for you if you like a simple, effective oil that's easy to use every day. But if you're after a lightweight option, this might not suit your needs. Now, if you're looking for something that combines multiple flavors with easy application, the next product is one you'll want to check out.
Product number 5, Savaland Natural Cuticle Oil Pen. At just $6.99 for 6 pens, it's a steal. If you want a convenient way to hydrate your cuticles on the go, this is worth a serious look. The unique pen design allows for mess-free application, and each pen is infused with vitamin E and natural oils to deeply nourish and protect your nails. It's perfect for those who travel or need quick touch-ups throughout the day. With 9,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many appreciate the combination of convenience and quality. But some users noted that it can take a bit of twisting to get the oil flowing. Here's the thing though, once it's flowing, the application is precise and easy, making it a great option for those who want to maintain their nails effortlessly. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need quick, effective nail care. But skip this one if you prefer traditional bottles for your nail care routine. And that wraps up our top 5 cuticle oils and creams.
So, to summarize, we've explored the Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover for quick fixes, the Onyx Hard as Hoof for strength, Cuticle Natural for hydration, Sally Hansen Nail Treatment for daily care, and Saviland for on-the-go convenience. Each product caters to different needs, so pick the one that resonates with your nail care journey.